Hi, this is Mitch Vogel, Jamie Cartwright from Bonanza.
I suppose I'd have to change my name to Jamie Cartwright.
Yes, legally and for all time, that'll be your name.
Of course, I wouldn't be exactly like Cost and Joe. I mean, they'd be in your real sons and all.
No, you wouldn't be exactly like them. It's true.
I didn't figure I would be.
Well, Jamie, they were given to me, Hoss and Joe.
Given?
By their mothers. Blessed gifts they were, too. I didn't choose them. You're a little different, Jamie. You see, I did choose you. Because I wanted you to be my son.
Please come and join me and my other friends from all of your favorite television westerns at TV WestFest. We'll look forward to seeing you there.